Meaning of hunky.
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 Hunky. The term hunky is often used to describe a man who is attractive, muscular and physically fit. It is also associated with masculinity and strength. The word may have originated from the Hungarian-American community, where hunky was a term for a laborer or someone who worked with their hands. Over time, it became a more general term used to describe attractive and fit men. Today, the term is used both positively and negatively depending on the context in which it is used.